My name is Ma Tuan Thắng. Uh, I would like to present my dissertation. Factor affecting customer impulse buying behavior in Thái Nguyên City. Background and reasoning of the study, which affected growing middle class in Southeast Asia. Vietnam has been experiencing remarkable growth rate in its retail sector in recent years. Over the period 2013-2018, the retail sector recorded a compound annual growth rate of uh, 10%. The total retail revenue is also expected to reach USD 180 billion by 2020. The increasing customer demand, along with government policies encouraging the attraction of foreign investment in this sector are among the main reasons for the fine competition between uh, domestic business and foreign-owned business to gain customer market share. They not only implement a simple marketing strategy such as improving service quality and product quality, but they also conduct comprehensive research on customer interest and psychology to set up suitable um, business strategy and achieve the highest profit. One of a widely discussed and economic phenomenon impacts buying behavior of customers. In recent years, there are an increasing number of studies examining in the context of Asian culture countries such as Singapore, China, India, and South Korea. In Vietnam, a few research have ex- examined impact buying behavior and the Vietnam um, pioneering school focusing on this fear is my school has provided a number of study on impact buying behavior in Vietnam with the perspective of uh, countries on their study were conducted in each cities such as Hanoi and Ho Chi Minh City. The point is that what are factors influencing consumer impact buying behavior in Vietnam category and culture are not impact buying behavior of consumer in like cities with where um, pointers are in previous study in different from that in a mountainous area such as Thailand province. Based on the review of relevant, relevant literature and the suggestion uh, of prior empirical study, this dissertation influencing customer impact buying behavior in Thailand coffee. It's conducted to identify key factors affecting impact buying behavior of customer in store shopping context. Objective general objective. The purpose of this session is to identify key factors influencing impact buying behavior of customer in Thái Nguyên City, Thái Nguyên Province, Vietnam. Um, from that recommendation, we propose to have businessmen and marketing research have a right strategy in the detail market and to help a customer to be more concerned about the negative consequences which they may incur after round of the impulse buying. Specific objective to provide the theoretical um, framework of impulse buying behavior and to review empirical study related to this topic to describe the profile of the respondent in terms of to identify and discuss the factor influencing impulse buying behavior of customer in Thailand City to propose recommendation to help firm improve their business and to protect customer understand and more caution in their impulsive buying behavior. Theoretical framework as a relevant theory related to impulse buying behavior synthesized as below. Abraham Maslow hierarchy of necessary customer customers and decision making process. The senior organism respond more conceptual framework. The conceptual framework was developed to examine factors influencing customer impulse buying behavior based on the literature review as well as the theoretical framework. The conceptual framework of this session is proposed as follows. The conceptual framework includes three groups: variable, assistant, variable, and then independent variable and independent variable. Antecedent, antecedent variable provide of respondent at their impact in customer in tendency in terms of gender, education, attainment, occupation, marital status, and monthly income. Independent variable are factors affecting customer impulse buying behavior. Based on the framework, the major factor which identify their personality factor, install factor, enjoyment, see and impulse buying tendency, dependent variable is impulse buying behavior of customer in tendency. Significant of the study. This significant theoretical significant. This is carried out to employ factor influencing customer impulse buying behavior in tendency. The result of the study contribute to supplement the theoretical basic and propose a model to study factors affecting reflecting customer buying behavior. Finally, the study Eric our knowledge of master buying from the behavior perspective. Practical significant. This study contribute mm, practically for retail dealer to put their business and have customer intelligence be more cautious around consumer their infrastructure behavior. Scope and limitation, space or scope. This dissertation and carry out in urban district Taiwan City or Taiwan Province, Vietnam. Consensus in order to examine factor influencing consumer behavior buying behavior. This dissertation will include the provide of 500 in terms of gender, education, attainment, occupation, merit status, and money income. So dissertation will also include select variable reflecting impartial buying behavior, such as personality factor in investing money, availability, availability, um, time, availability of family, influence, and sanity check to store factor, including suppression of store in right strong music sale, promotion, enjoyment tendency, and input buying tendency. So on primary data in this study will be collect within 2 months from October to November of 2020. The uh, secondary secondary data using in this study reflecting the circle economic background of Taiwan City will be in the period 20 15 29 to of literary study to pass the first part provide literature review of each concept research model from perspective on impartial buying behavior, which has been developed in the previous session. The second part review led a study relating to factor influencing consumer impartial buying behavior and result finding regarding the determinism impartial buying behavior of customer and related literature definition and definition of impartial buying definition of impartial buying behavior classification uh, character literature review and hypothesis development of factor influencing customer impulsive buying behavior. Literature review and external factor, internal factor, uh, hypothesis development, personality factor, and impartial buying behavior. Internal factor and impartial buying behavior. Shopping enjoyment tendency, impartial buying behavior. impulse buying tendency and impulse buying behavior. Chapter 3, mm, Methodology. Uh, Research design in others identify identify factors influencing impulse buying behavior across dissertation propose concept framework which invests on a literature and critical finding for the research is both qualitative and uh, qualitative qualitative approach. Qualitative approach is used to provide a better understanding of customer emotion behavior in Thailand. The method um, province Vietnam mid mean qualitative approach allow generation to a window section of population to point of affecting behavior in addition it produces a vast for analysis and interpretation. Population 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 is on customer supermarket and shopping mall uh, located in Thailand City, Thailand province. The adjective shopping mall Vincom Plaza, Vincom Supermarket, Lanchimat, Aloha Mall, Media Mart, Home Center, Green Electric, Supermarket, and their shopping location consider to ensure the essential condition customer impulse buying occursion. Sampling measures for the purpose of the sampling technique is a non-probability convenient sample of consumer who are impulsively purchase buying things at their shopping location. Sample the research aim to select a sample of 500 customers at the supermarket and shopping located in Thailand City from October to November of 2020. Research instrument survey past the instrument research is the initially the question were developed and skill and it correct in English then translated into Vietnamese to collect data from Vietnamese customer. The survey question is divided into two main parts. The first one is to collect the social demographic information of respondent in terms of age, population, education, attainment, marital status, and family income. The second one of to get the respondent evaluation on term reflect reflect factor affecting the impulse buying behavior. And then the question will be prioritized by asking a small group tend frequently to get rid of procrastinate normally and misunderstanding misunderstanding that the researcher market necessary change the questioning for the uh, purpose of a high degree of accuracy and understanding. Scaling on mission and in terms of the second part of the questionnaire uh, with the measure on 5 point like scale uh, strongly disagree, strongly agree. Data gathering procedure. In this dissertation, both both primary and secondary data will be used to analyze factors influencing impulse buying behavior of customer in Taiwan City. For primary data, to collect suitable primary data in order to evaluate customer buying behavior. The dissertation uses primary data which is collected by using supermarket at supermarket and shopping network in Taiwan. For secondary data, secondary data is collected from official report and document in a province agency such as the Statistical Report of Taiwan Province, Vietnam. Official website research